In today's fast-paced digital world, seamless data transfer and reliable card reading capabilities are essential. Whether you're a professional photographer, a tech enthusiast, or simply managing multimedia files across multiple devices, the BENFEI 4-in-1 memory card reader rises to the occasion with a smart integrated design and powerful performance, offering an all-in-one solution for reading four major memory card formats via both USB-C and USB-A interfaces. At first glance, the BENFEI card reader impresses with its compact, travel-friendly form factor, but its real strength lies in its 2-in-1 connector, a sleek, dual-interface design that supports both USB Type-C and USB 3.0 Type-A ports. This makes it universally compatible with older laptops, desktops, and the latest generation of USB-C smartphones, tablets, and Ultrabooks, including the MacBook Pro, Surface Book, Dell XPS series, and Galaxy devices. The black matte finish and streamlined build make it a tidy addition to any desk setup or mobile tech kit. The BENFEI 4-in-1 memory card reader is an incredibly well-executed product that combines practical design, broad compatibility, and high-speed performance in a compact, no-nonsense device. Whether you're a creative professional managing heavy media workflows or a casual user looking for a reliable reader for travel or home use, this tool delivers far more than its price suggests.